And the hash browns are buy one, get one for $1.
What am I doing?
I think you can go through whenever you're ready. Yep.
Go through the drive-thru or just go through the number?
I thought you wanted to go through drive-thru. You can ask about your egg on your bagel too when we go through, if you want to.
Yeah. Oh, this gas tank's open.
Welcome back. Order whenever you're ready.
TC47. All right. I have a code for you.
Okay.
TC47.
04.
I have a question.
Okay.
On the bagel, I didn't have anywhere to substitute the egg for a round egg. Is that still possible?
Yeah, I'll let them know.
Thank you so much.
Mm-hmm.
Hey, ma'am. Do you want me to shut your tank? Oh, okay, so leave it. Okay, have a great day.
I was like, whose tank? Now it makes more sense.
Oh.
Yep.
Yes, yes.
No, thank you.
I'll take it, thank you.
Okay, thanks.
Have a great day.
So what are you asking me?
Do you see your gas tank open?
I do now, yeah. I was checking out the semi, because you said semi, oh look, the gas tank's open.
Did I say semi?
I think so, but
I said the lady.
maybe I was looking at the semi, and you said the gas tank was open, so I put the word there.
Popsicle.
Popsicle.
Man, my head. Oh, dude. I got so much content, but I got, I think, so many subscribers on the other channel.
Yeah, I guess I just don't see what the problem is. Like, I mean, I guess cool that you got,
Iced coffee, and we're getting a couple items fresh for you.
Okay.